So I just want to tell you that, funnily enough, when I first started running, the first track training that I went to, I actually didn't manage to finish the full 100-meter race. After that, I was really scared and afraid, and yet I wanted to go for training again and again because I loved the 100-meter event so much. Fast forward 8-9 years later, I managed to break the national record of Singapore, which had and what I also realized is that after traveling the world and looking at people from different sports, the parents have a very large part to play in the development of the athlete. Yes.
Dear students, enjoy the day, support one another, cheer one another, be fair and demonstrate true sportsmanship.
For my juniors and aspiring athletes, first of all, remain humble. It doesn't matter if you're the best in the school, best in the country, or the best in the world. Remaining down to earth is one of the most key attributes that every sports person must possess.